About to change out this Schlage Encode Plus lock. Change this out real quick. You take these little 2 screws out right here on each side. Okay, those loose. Then you take these 2 screws off to get the front part out. Loosen them up like so. These are your long screws. We'll take those out. Okay, you want to disconnect this right here. This little tab is right there. Disconnect that. Well, that comes out too. Can't record, hold on. Right, remove these 2 screws on your deadbolt lock. So you might have to get a flathead screwdriver to poke this out to get the touch screen out. You know, just put the screwdriver in there and just push it out. And then it'll come right out.
I have this.
Okay, once you get that out, and get the middle piece out. Then you can install the new one. So that's how you remove your Schlage Encode Plus.